Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to plant a vegetable garden. Now, vegetable gardens are so easy to grow, and you don't need a large space. You can just use a small container, or you can have a large flower bed outside. It doesn't really matter. You just need a little bit of space for a lot of vegetables. So when you're planting a vegetable garden, take a little time and make a little chart of the area where you want to plant them and where you want to plant things, allowing enough space in between them. For example, when you're planting your vegetable garden and you want to include corn, corn needs at least 2 to 3 feet in between each plant. So if you've got a small vegetable garden, you want to make sure and put it in the back of the garden or in the center so that all the other vegetables get some sunlight, and plan ahead that way. And carrots don't need a whole lot of space, maybe only 1 foot between the plants, if that, because they're mostly underground and then with the greenery above. So that way you have room in between, and you can mix and match your vegetables. And peas are so easy to grow. They don't need a lot of space. They just need about 3 inches in between them and something to grow up onto, because they make a vine and they need a teepee or something to actually grab onto to grow. And plants like spinach and lettuce only need about 1 foot in between as well. So make sure when you're planting your vegetable garden to always plant the largest plants the farthest away from the sun, so that the smaller plants get some sunlight. Because you don't want to put the corn in the part of the bed that gets all the sun and everything else is going to be shaded by that corn. You want to put it the farthest away. And make sure that the bed gets as much sun as possible, because even if there's some fruit trees a little bit away from it, it still might make it pretty cool in that area and plants won't grow very well. And do your research. If you're planting watermelons, which are more of a warm climate crop, you might want to start the seeds indoors and then put them outdoors so that you have a long enough growing season. And plants that are colder climate, like the carrots, they can be started outside right after the last frost, and then that way they'll grow all summer and you can collect carrots and vegetables out of your garden all summer long and enjoy the fruits of your labor.